Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the first product spotlight. This tea automatically brews itself. All you have to do is twist the cap. You can draw shapes in 3D using this 3D pen. This lamp from Ikea looks like a ball, but when you pull the string below it, it transforms into a completely different shape. This Japanese DIY candy is made by mixing the given powder and liquid and then pulling on it with a straw. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want, and I'll see you next time.